Got the first one.
Good work. One more to go. Carefully now.
I failed you, my king.
And that's the last one. What's in these?
Never mind that. Just drop them off at this location, quick.
Well, here are your packages.
Thank you. The Golden Path continues to be your best. I'll never let know what you've done for us.
Radio Free Kira. You guys know what I'm about to say. I don't even remember the last time someone had anything nice to say about the northern part of Kira. I mean, the entire region's been under Southern's control for as long as I can remember. have a bunch of gulags up there where undesirable people are kept. What does that word mean, undesirable? That's such a handy word. It's meaning anything from a jerk you don't like to a freedom fighter trying to make Kirat a better place. But I find a lot of things undesirable, you guys. I find poop undesirable. I wish I never had to shit, to be honest. I mean, the food that I have to eat up here, it's not good on the bowel movement. What else is undesirable? I mean, girls who talk too much, people with bad breath, people that just talk about their kids all day. I don't give a shit. I mean, I find Chotu undesirable, especially when he farts in the booth and doesn't admit to it. I mean, come on, man, it's two of us. Admit to it, Chotu. Why are you lying? Okay? I think we should use a new word for undesirable. Shorten the word undesirable and just call it undies. Yeah, undies. Because undies rhymes with chutneys, and both of those things I don't like. I don't like dirty chutneys, and I definitely don't like undies. So we should call it undies. Like, hey, there's an undie coming over there. Just stay away from it. Hey, the guy's dirty.
Here we go. I'm going. Pick it up.
We're on our way to you.
The enemy is here.
We've got you now! Get him! Go! Nothing. I know someone is out there! Watch my back! Climbing down! The enemy is here! Go here! Get the alarm!
We'll be there in half a minute.
No mercy! Kill every devil you see! The enemy is here!
We're coming up the road.
Surrender and we'll kill you quickly!
Down with the revolution!
Ah! Over there!
Blor's got eyes on this area. It's going to be hard to infiltrate. The Blor's got eyes
I
on
just
this
heard that someone's on a mission
I'm
to
available.
secure the outpost.
area. Use them to sneak in some
Pace
decent medical
yourself, Ajay.
supplies.
You've got a long way to go to even the scales.
Can't stop the signal. This is Radio Free Kiran. Now, have you guys been hearing about these caves that Noor holds her little get-togethers in? I'm Ravi Rana here with some fantastic for you guys to chew on. Okay, I don't want to jinx this, but the Golden Path has scored a few victories and reclaimed some of the outposts from the Royal Army. That means there's less regions of thug and jackbooted goons on patrol, and that's a good thing in my book. Jackboot. I'm thinking about that word, you guys. Jackboot. Why would you call them jackboots? Could you name them after a guy named Jack? And if so, this Jack guy must have been a
What do we do now? Move it! Put you in the pan.
I thought about switching sides, but I'd still be fighting those I love. There's no winning. Min says the golden plant.
Search the area. Open, Chun. The enemy is here. Is that friendly? Go! Go, go, go! spread out and search. Shoot them in the face! I know you're out here somewhere. Keep looking! Start searching! Whoever did that must be nearby! Okay! Rokia! Ah! Moving out! Salaman Hui! Lost my canteen again. Damn it! Faisal! Didn't get out! Who did that? Kill! 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 Stay alert! We don't know what's out here! All of you keep your eyes open! Stay alert! We don't know what's out here. He's vanished. Shit! Nice! Keep fight! Ah! Over there! Spread out and start looking! Shoot anything suspicious! Bartender! Come on! Come on! Rokia! I want you to find whoever did that! I'm going! What the? Hey! You there! Got them! Don't wait for the danger to find us! Get out there and look! Where are you hiding? Was that one of us? Moving out! Right for
Mother chode! Moving!
Mother chode!
Haram Khor!
Enemy spotted! He's up there!
Leopard! Leopard! Look out! Careful! Careful! Look out! Look Leopard!
Kill the beast!
Find out what caused that.
Yeah,
Check
understood.
everywhere! Find whatever did this.
Right, Bhagwan! Chalo! Keep up the fire!
Cover me! Move! Move! Move!
That thing! Kill it!
Ah!
Oi! No mercy!